Next we have the basic number sets. Okay, so in your textbook, the natural numbers is represented by the letter N, and these are your counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The whole numbers are represented by the letter W, and the only difference between the set of whole numbers and the set of natural numbers is the 0. In your textbook, integers is represented by a letter I. These are your natural numbers, the opposite of your natural numbers, and then 0. So these go in both directions. Rational numbers are represented by the letter Q. This is the set of all terminating, which means they stop, terminating or repeating decimals. Irrational numbers, which is represented by a cursive I. This is the set of all non-terminating or non-repeating decimals. Irrational numbers include things like pi, e, square root of 2, those kinds of numbers. If you join the rational and irrational numbers, you get the set of real numbers, which is represented by the set of R. So, example 3. For letter, it says use the roster method to write each of the given sets. So for A, it says the set of natural numbers less than 5. So natural number starts at 1, so we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if it says less than 5, we don't include 5. B, the solution set of x plus 5 equals negative 1. So if we have x plus 5 equals negative 1, to solve that, I subtract 5 on both sides, so x equals a negative 6. So I just have one solution, negative 6. And for example 3c, it says the set of negative integers greater than negative 4. So if it says greater than negative 4, we don't include negative 4. And if we're only doing negative integers, we just do negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so we don't include it. Check your progress. Use the roster method to write each of the given sets. So for A, the set of whole numbers less than 4. So again, less than 4, we don't include 4. And whole number starts at 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3. For letter B, the set of counting numbers larger than 11 and less than or equal to 19. So now they threw that equal to in there. So larger than 11, we don't include 11. We'd include 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then because they said less than or equal to, we do include the 19. And then for check your progress 3, the set of negative integers greater than negative 5 and less than 7. So if it's negative integers greater than negative 5, I'd include negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. And then because they said negative, even though they said up less than 7, none of the rest of these numbers are negative, so we don't include them.